Bring to book. Option A. Punish someone. For example, the corrupt officer was brought to book for his crimes. A mare's nest. Option D. A false or mistaken discovery. For example, they realized too late that their big plan was a mare's nest. Dodge a bullet. Option B. Avoid a dangerous or unpleasant situation. For example, we dodged a bullet by cancelling the trip before the storm hit. Make a clean breast of. Option B. Confess everything honestly. For example, it's better to make a clean breast of your wrongdoing than to lie. Down in the dumps. Option C. Very sad. For example, she's been down in the dumps since she lost her job. Ride a high horse. Option A. To act proudly or arrogantly. For example, people dislike those who ride a high horse and boast too much. To cry stinking fish. Option D. To criticize one's own work or country. For example, he tends to cry stinking fish about his own company's efforts. To foam at one's mouth. Option C. To be extremely angry. For example, the manager was foaming at the mouth when he saw the damage. To have no truck with. Option B. To have no association with someone. For example, the company has no truck with illegal practices. Keep the wolf from the door. Option A. To manage to survive financially. For example, the family struggled to keep the wolf from the door during the recession. At the top of the tree. Option D. In a very high or superior position. For example, after years of hard work, he is now at the top of the tree in his company. Set teeth on edge. Option A. To make someone feel irritated or annoyed. For example, his constant complaining set my teeth on edge. Lapped in luxury. Option C. Living in extreme comfort and wealth. For example, the hotel guests lapped in luxury during their stay. On the wrong side of 60. Option B. Older than 60. For example, she realized she was on the wrong side of 60 and decided to retire. Put your shoulder to the wheel. Option D. Work hard and persistently. For example, students should put their shoulder to the wheel before exams. Flog something to death. Option C. Overdo or discuss something excessively. For example, don't flog the idea to death, move on to something else. A fresh lease of life. Option A. A new opportunity to live or improve. For example, renovating the house gave it a fresh lease of life. To keep the fatted calf for. Option B. To celebrate someone's arrival or success. For example, they kept the fatted calf for their son's return from abroad. Alpha and Omega. Option A. The beginning and the end. For example, for a teacher, patience is the alpha and omega. Hobson's choice. Option B. No real choice at all. For example, he was given Hobson's choice between the two courses. Penelope's web. Option D. A task that is constantly started and undone. For example, his efforts were like Penelope's web, never reaching completion. The sword of Damocles. Option C. An imminent and constant danger. For example, students facing exams often feel the sword of Damocles hanging over them. A double-edged sword. Option B. Something with both advantages and disadvantages. For example, social media is a double-edged sword, connecting people but invading privacy. To talk through one's hat. Option A. To speak foolishly or without knowledge. For example, she realized he was talking through his hat during the debate. From pillar to post. Option D. From one place to another in a frustrating way. For example, she felt like she was being moved from pillar to post in the office.